All right, Math 10, we are doing area of shaded region this week. So if I gave you this problem, you have a circle inside of a square, and I want the area of the shaded region. I'm going to give you a rule that I need you to use for each problem, no matter what the figures are. So first and foremost, the formula that you should be using is that the area, the capital A is going to represent area. Area of a shaded region is going to be equal to the area of the whole entire figure, the whole thing. So I'm going to put area of the whole thing minus the area of the unshaded. So area unshaded. So as long as you understand this, you don't have to write it every single time. My suggestion from here is to identify what they are. What I mean by that is, what is the whole figure? So the whole entire figure is a square. So we need the area of a square, and we have to subtract from that the unshaded, which is a circle. So we have the area of a circle. So identify what the whole figure is, identify what the unshaded region is, and then write the formulas down, because if you write the formulas down, you know what pieces of information are needed. So the area of a square, you know, it's the side squared, minus, and the area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is the radius. So when you look at this figure, clearly the side of the square is 10. The radius of this circle, if the side of the square is 10, the radius goes from the center of the circle to the edge. The radius of this circle would be 5. So now you have the pieces of information that you need. You have the side of the square, you have the radius, so plug them in. So 10 squared minus pi times 5 squared. So that gives you 100 minus 25 pi. 5 squared is 25. This would be your answer if you were asked to leave it as an exact answer. You couldn't go any further. You could not combine the 100 and the 25. You could not write 75 pi, so don't do that. So if you're taking a standardized test, SATs, ACTs, this would probably be one of the choices. And if you were going to leave your answer this way, keep in mind the units are centimeters, so it would be centimeters squared because it's area. If I ask you, which I will, to go one step further and write your final answer as a decimal, for this one it's 21.46. So if you do 100 minus 25 pi, you get 21.46 centimeters squared, and there's your final answer to 2 decimal places.